Jamushi Travels is back and today we'll share to you our Plantation Bay experience last March 2026.
Hi, Don.
Hello.
Yeah!
Very. Hi. So we're back at Plantation Bay. And today we're going to have an event. But at the same time, mag-check in din si Jamie. So let's see what's new again here. Diba? It's been a while. Wow. Hi! Alright, so dito tayo sa ating room for this trip. Okay.
Hi! Welcome to Plantation Bay Resort and Spa here at Mactan, Cebu. So we booked a deluxe poolside room. So let me
Tour you
in the
around.
room. Yeah. So first, this is the toilet with a small bathtub. And we have here the amenities and meron pa silang mga single-use amenities. Lotion o dalawa. Tapos ito ang kanilang shower. Okay, and we have the may bidet naman. We have a toilet with bidet. Tapos and may payong din since umuulan minsan. And here is the closet in kulay white. And may safe din. And yung laundry ba to?
Yung mukhang hair dryer.
Hair dryer. Tapos kompleto naman yung mga
Hanger.
hangers. Tapos ito yung bed, king bed. Okay. And ayan, may aircon din naman tayo. Patayin muna natin kasi malamig naman sa labas. Tapos, we have here the chargers and charging port pala. Tapos may bayad may chinelas. Hindi ko maalala.
Parang libre, pero may bayad din.
Ngayon meron na 1,000 only. So, kailangan mo ibigay. So, reusable dapat. Tapos may complimentary water naman din. And may coffee making. Ang ganda ng
Dati
nila,
dito
no?
tayo nagsisa magampo, no?
So yung TV nila cute lang. So parang hindi ka nila in-encourage mag-TV. Pero maganda yan. May welcome Welcome. Complimentary. Yan. Pwede pamigay na lang natin. No?
Sa self ko.
Tapos yan, kompleto pa, no, yung mga stationery nila. Tapos, itong room. So, may rin, parang lounge area. And ito, may guest tayo si Shella.
Right!
So, ganda nito, mapuan din nilang to, no? Pang-relax. Tapos, ang feature nitong room na to, ayan, may
Sarili kang pool
lagoon.
na may swimming din. Alright.
Ayan. So, mamaya may team building din tayo. So, see you later!
Bye-bye! So, yan. So, ngayon, pupunta tayo sa may Orion area. So, kadalasan, din yung lugar pag may mga events place. Ayan na.
Ito, 1, 2, 3.
Sabi? Yo,
Ayan
man.
ang dalawa. Ito, 1, 2, 3.
Ang galing.
At least may pool din sa likod.
Ay, oo nga, no.
Okay din yung binigay sa ating room.
Ay, oo nga, no. Biglang-
Yun lang.
Ito yung
Kasi
isa.
may open area.
Pero okay na din. Kasi ito, may privacy. May, ang galing.
Dalawang
I'll be here. This will be a photo walk. Bye-bye, oldies. Bye-bye. Hi, baby. Siyempre, kasama niyo pa rin po ako.
Miss, social kayo may mag-celebrate ng 8 years, Miss.
Wow! Happy 8 years!
Then next task is mental task. Jigsaw puzzle. Sir, can be performed simultaneously, sir.
Archery. And then,
As long as may go ang target.
alright. Wall climbing. Go! Winner! Sorry, ma'am. Sorry,
Kung
ma'am.
tamaan ng bullseye, Miss, hindi rin siya maka-lunch, Miss.
Hindi din. You can do it. You can do it.
Net.
Go, go, go. Dun, 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 dun. Ang galing naman ng group. Go, group. Go, group. Winning team! Alright, the winning team is inside the game room.
Allowed the beer. Afterwards, shoot
We need beer.
a beer.
It's in you.
Tama.
drink everything,
Shots
no?
sa pool.
Huh?
Drink everything?
Drink everything? Drink everything. Chuggy, 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 chuggy. Is there a billiards game? Oh, billiards game. Finish. Okay, you can do it. It's okay. Oof. Wow. Alright, so we just finished. We're moving to Coconut Bar. Yay! Coconut tubig. Coconut tubig. Pop the pals. Wow, coconut! Free coconut!
Wait, sa, two members will hold the rope while the remaining team members will jump the rope twice. Continuously. One, two, three, go. Okay, okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
One.
Sorry,
One more time.
One, up.
Okay. Left. Stop. Down. Stop.
Wow! Wow! Game room dun! Game room dito! Winning team! Winning team! Winning team! Winning team!
なんか石みたいのを探すの。
Winning team! Winning team! You can do it! Winning team! So this is the other team, and our team will now move to the kayak station. Hi, sir! La la la. such a beautiful day. Wow! Babalik ka? Injured.
Daming injured. Natakbo niyang injured.
Amazing stroll. Okay, so we are skipping this because you have to dive. But then we are not dive ready. So we'll skip that and move to the Aqua.
Tapos no, hindi tayo nag-serious miss. Tapos ang prize pala miss is voucher no for overnight stay.
Oh my gosh. Ano, balik na tayo. Okay, Akira. Okay ng mga cellphone. Okay, 10 pesos lang po. Ayun.
Diba? Kunin daan. Yeah, paspason daw na ito upuan.
So now we're at the Galapagos Beach. So maliit lang yung beach area nila dito. Mas malaki yung pool. But it's so good. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12! Oh, 12 view! Ginalingan! Bye! That's it! It's... Wala na. Yan yung slide na malaki eh. Diyan, oo. Oo. Pero dangerous. Nakakasugat. Ang unique na mga hotel sa loob. And at the same time, meron ka ring sariling pool and everything. Yan. Last. Hindi namin natapos. Annyeong! 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 Ate Yari! Babi! Yari! Wala na, busy na si Ate Yari. Ate Dixa! Oops! Ay! You say hi! 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 Vlog!
Alright, thank you, sir. And of course, congratulations from other teams for Mantakot, tulayo, 3 doon. Okay? 2.
Saka din, madam. Thank you. Wow. Ma'am Shella, ikaw? So far, kamusta? Happy?
Okay.
Okay.
Dito eh.
Ah,
Yung Route 66.
ano yun?
Boardroom. Ay, hindi ko pala nakuha yung papel. Wala yung papel.
Wow. Tapos may light refreshment daw.
Yun yung gusto ko.
So, ayan. Kaya nandito kami kasi may activity daw dun mamaya. Ayan lang. Ayan, back at the room. Ang saya ng paglabas mo, nandyan na yung pool, no? Si Jamie. Wow. Okay. So, ito na.
Tingnan natin kung meron.
Okay.
3 o'clock na.
Yan. So, before the day ends, punta muna tayo sa beach side.
Hindi na nga ako marunong.
Hala ka, baka masira yan. So, tingnan natin kung okay yung footage. Sunset na. Evening. Yan po. Ayan, so kakain daw kami dun mamaya ni Baby Jam. But for now, balik muna kami sa room. So maraming daan para makapunta sa room. Pwede dito, pwede sa mga gilid-gilid.
Hello, good evening. We're here at Plantation Bay and we're having the Hawaiian theme buffet. Aloha! So it's 1.6 per person and it includes 1 round of drink, canned sodas and juices. And they have a noodle station, Hawaiian theme salads, and also carving station, and also the mains, the specialties of Plantation Bay Palermo chicken, roasted chicken, I think. So let's try and see the food later. See you. Bye.
Okay. So it's 6:30 na. I think it's pwede na. Pwede na tayong kumain. Alright. Pero parang ang gusto ko sana is yung carving, pero hindi pa yata sila ready. So, balikan ko na lang ang carving. So, I'll start here na.
Hangin na.
Okay. Alright, so kakain na kami. Habang naghihintay ng show, show will start at 7 o'clock. Yung princess galing dun. Ang galing.
Water effect.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng drama. Ayan na yung princess.
Sulit na yung ano.
Sulit na yung bayad. Ganda ng show. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Good morning, baby.
Yeah.
Ganda na.
Na tayo sa breakfast.
Hi. Tayo. Ay, ang ganda. Ayan na rin pala dito.
Ang tambayan. Ang ganda.
Ang ganda rin ito. Cool.
Good morning, welcome to the
About to go to the table, but I saw pancit palabok, so we'll start ahead. Yan, parang ulam na talaga. So, yan. This is the breakfast selection. So, usually, yung lunch yung tinitake namin dito. And it's the first time that we are going to try it via lunch. Yun, may mangga na. Tingnan natin. We also have pancakes, the usual breads here, and they would have the eggs and omelets on the side. Okay na to. Yan na muna. Then, we'll try again later. Nandito pala isa favorite ko. Tadaan! My favorites! Okay, it's in this corner. That is malapit-lapit. And, our seats for today. So, this is where we're at. Happy eating! Almost forgot my chicken garlic miso sila.
It's na tayo ng breakfast. So, ito, meron silang house-made. Parang longganisa eh. Ito, ano?
Oo.
Sarap. Medyo maasim. Tapos, tapa. May pork binagaongan din.
Oo, yun yung masarap nila eh. Di ba yung parang sa plantation based in can? Nila na
Sarap.
binibenta.
Kaya mo yan, kare-kare.
Ayun.
Kaya masarap. May pansit palabo. Pang lunch na to eh.
Sulit na sulit. So, hindi ko lang naririnig nila kasi marami tayo sa water.
Saka crispy talaga to.
Okay.
Sarap, laki.
Alright. So, happy eating. Bye-bye.
Bye. Ensemada.
Okay.
Masarap eh.
Oo. Ito din ba? Or wag na? Masyadong matamis? Yun na yan?
Yung hopia yung gusto ko.
Iyun. Wag na yan.
Ube loaf.
Oh, yun na. Okay. Oh, ube hopya. Okay. Baby. Alright, finished with breakfast. So, time check, it's 9 o'clock and may mass at 10. So, sisimba kami mamaya dito. At for now, balik muna kami sa room para maligo. Dire-diretso na mamaya for checkout. Sana may time pa kami mag-bike and other activities before we leave the resort. Ayan. Sobrang laki, no? Okay. So, punta kami sa lobby. Karake yan. Ganda. May barakuda. Tsaka manowar. So, naghihintay lang po tayo ng dalawang bike kasi di ako marunong. Sana bumalik. Yan. So, maraming activities dito.
Ayan, meron na.
Yay! I'm so happy. Oh, long have I waited. Okay. Ay, mabigat ako. So, anyway. Takot ako. So, trivia, hindi po ako marunong mag-bike. Kaya po nakaganda po kami ni Baby Jamie. Kasi hindi talaga. Takot na po ako. So, ang akin pong paa ay basang-basa na. Okay, ako lang ulit. Dito talaga daan natin, ha? Dito tayo nag-event kahapon.
Mukhang meron na.
Yan.
Mukhang may team buffet na.
Yan. Okay. Ito yung spa. Tapos ito yung cave. Beep beep. Hello, may mga kasalubong tayo. Careful. Beep beep. Beep beep. Dito naman po tayo sa may beach area. Ayan po yung ating beach. Ito yung pool. Tapos, yan. Uy! Fiji. Yun yung smoking area for the smokers. Yan. Okay. Hello! Ay, si Queen! Oo! Yay! Takot na ako. I'm so scared. Let's go back. Ayan, tapos ito ATM machine kung kailangan nyo. Yan yung Alpine Lounge at yung Coconut Bar. And ito yung ating main lobby. Tapos ito yung yan. Ito yung yan. At yun na. Balik na tayo ulit. So yun lang. It was a nice ride. Thanks, sweetheart. Bye-bye. Your bike experience? Ako masaya kasi nakabike ako. And dahil ito yung aming room. Ito lang ang pool. Wala muna kami ni Baby Jamie. Yan na deep. Sunod ako. Ano na? So okay na. Mukhang nag-record na. Okay. So yun yung room lang natin. Special lang kami ni Baby dito. Mainit lang. Pero yan. Punta tayo sa pool lang, may pool sa kabila. Ay, lamig!
Ganda.
May challenge. Yan.
Ito mas malaki.
Apa. And then connected.
Yung sa atin.
Apa.
Ang maganda lang dito, may daanan.
Yung kabila ba wala? Hindi naman yan malalim, no? Careful. Yan. So, ito na yung maglalaro ka ng volleyball. If you want to go and do some kayaks. And then chill under the trees. Ayan. Baby sunbaither.
No, baiter.
Baiter lang. Galing naman. Ay. Ayan. Nag-record pa ba?
Oo.
Mm. So, ito naman yung daan papunta sa room namin. So, ang galing, di ba? So, okay din mag-stay dito sa area na to. Kasi malapit ka sa main. Malapit ka rin sa game room. And dito, malapit ka rin sa action. Ha? May? Ayo. Ayan, wait lang ha. Oopsie. Yan, and we're back. Pero yun, malami pa tong iba-ibang klaseng pool. So, may iba-ibang klaseng themes and area. Meron dun sa may spa. May unique na room sila dun. Tapos, may iba-ibang community area dito na may sarili ding pool. So, they have it all for you. So, what can you say, Bibi?
Okay naman. Maganda kung dito yung book yung room. Kasi parang may private pool ka na rin.
Lala kung marami kayo, di ba? And even yung mga group na area, di ba? So, kung sakali, good for family.
Oh,
That would
tsaka
like
yung
to
ibang
stay
room
together.
yata 2 beds.
Ayun lang, bye. Alright.
Main pool.
Dahil? Okay. Kasi may welcome drink daw kami, pero hindi pa namin nakukuha. So, kukunin namin. Ay, wala pala akong salamin, sweetheart. Okay lang. Kita pa naman siguro ako. Ang tatambay. Ano po mga tatambayan nila?
Sila yung mag-ride ko.
Ang galing. Anyway, sige. Let's do this. Diyan na naman yung mga volleyballers. Mga matatandang puti.
Ayan lang kasi ginagawa nila.
Pwede.
Kasi malamig yung tubig sa kanila.
And still active pa rin.
Eto may bar din dito. Alam mo.
Pwede din dyan. Alright, dyan natin ikunin. Okay. Amy, it's recording. Okay.
Gawa tayo na.
Now. Okay, let's do it. Ay, pakali pa din. Takpan mo. Okay. Ako dalhin ko yung slippers kasi mainit to. Oh, is it hot? Initan kasi. So, okay, baba muna tayo dito. Na tayo dun sa bar.
Tayo nag-prepare.
Alright, kahit may liver ka na, may na kami ni Bibi. Kung may red horse siguro. Kung wala, tingnan natin ano yung meron kasama. Hi!
Ano beer gusto mo?
Or kung ano yung aesthetic. Wow.
Ano bang pwede mo?
For this one, sir, you can have local beer, soft drinks, canned juices, or shots of tequila, sir. But beer, sir, you can use this one as Palermo restaurant filter.
Palermo. Okay.
Hindi dito. Pat Palermo. Okay, saan yung Palermo?
Doon sa may malapit sa Gambo Springs Spa, sir.
Okay, sige po. See you later.
Palermo pala.
Ayan. So, at least makakasubok tayo sa Palermo. Yun yung parang sa malapit sa may events place. Okay. So, ito, may pa-jacuzzi sila dito. Ay, lalim! Sila nga ka sa gilid. Alright, excited ka na? Okay, bye-bye. Yay! Okay. Hello! Ang daming tubig! Oh no! Ay! 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 Yan, may extra challenge. May Mist of Doom. Ayan na, the Mist of Doom. Oh no. Sige. Abangan kita dun sa baba. Okay, si Jumper mahilig sa mga slide. Dati may malaking slide eh. Yun dun. Hindi ko lang kung nakikita niya. Hindi ko ma-zoom sa bagong device na to eh. But yan yeah. Abangan natin si baby Jammy who's gonna slide. Ay, oops, what's that? Ayan na, si Mr. Slido. Mr. Slido's gonna sliding. Careful, Slider. Ay! Saya? Alright, bye-bye.
Bye. So, talon tayo sa dive rock. Ayan.
Baby.
Yun lang. Bye-bye.
Saan naman tayo punta, baby? Palermo. Ang bango dito kasi restaurant na yan. So, may ginisang garlic at sibuyas. Para nagigisa sila ngayon ng pagkain. So, yan. So, diba? Ang dami kayong pwedeng pagtambayan dito. So, anyway, punta tayo sa Palermo para kuha ng drink. Pero naalala ko yung spaghetti nila, masarap, maalat lang no? Sa may Route 66. Pero okay din, masarap. Parang spaghetti ang craving ko for today. Ang ganda yung bulaklak, no? Yan, tapos ito yung okay. So ito yung souvenir shop. Tingnan natin anong meron dito sa Jamaica. Hey, let's do this. Wow, ang ganda.
Ito yung mga plantation.
Mga merch. Ang gaganda. Okay ka na?
Yung mga plantation din.
Ayan, oo. So, ito yung special dito. Masasarap yung lahat. Okay, so dito na tayo sa Palermo, where you can have your tapas and pasta, and hopefully we'll get our welcome drink. Let's find out. May Mango Republic din. Ang ganda pala dito. So, ito yung kids area. Hello, good morning. Ito yung mga ano nila. Dito tayo sa loob ng Palermo. Meron pang restaurant dun sa loob, ano?
Yung
Pero-
66 yata nilagay nila dito.
Ayan. Pero at least ito na muna tayo tatambay for the drink. Excited ka na? Excited ka na? Okay. Ito na yung welcome drink natin na gagamitin before checkout. So, meron akong Red Horse, si Jumpert Eye. Alright. Okay natin. So, Bibi, kamusta naman ang ating beer for lunch? Ayan, dito ka sa gilid. May dadaang sasakyan. So, balik muna tayo sa room. Last break before checking out.
Saan ba tayo dumaan? Dito na.
Kahit saan. We can go anywhere. Pwedeng doon. Pwedeng dito. So, maraming daan talaga. Chip, chip. Chip, chip. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ay na lang kami ng Grab.
Diyan na.
So that's the end of our Plantation Bay adventure. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.